Today we've got here the DJI Mini 4K. I've been flying DJI drones for a while now, but I wanted to test this one because it's one of the cheapest 4K drones out there. Honestly, I was curious if it's actually worth it. I love how small this thing is. It's under 249 grams, which means in most countries you don't even need to register it. Keep in mind that the controller doesn't have a display, so you have to connect your phone to it. It's super simple. Just open this part, plug the cable, open the DJI Fly app, and you're ready to go. This drone is perfect for beginners, creators, or anyone who wants to get nice cinematic shots without carrying a big drone gear. Now let's talk about footage quality. It shoots 4K at 30 FPS, and honestly, the footage looks really good for the price. You get nice, stable shots thanks to the gimbal. I flew it with some light wind and it stayed surprisingly well. Of course, if it's really windy, it's going to be hard to control because it's so lightweight, but it should handle wind up to 38 kilometers per hour. One of my favorite features is quick shots. It basically does professional drone moves for you. Just open DJI app, tap a button, and you get a nice cinematic shot. You should also know that it doesn't have obstacle avoidance, so you gotta be careful flying around trees or buildings. And the 4K is limited to 30 FPS, meaning you won't really be able to slow it down, which might bother some people. Also, no RAW photos, only JPEG. But again, for the price, it's hard to complain. Battery life is solid too. You get around 30 minutes per flight. So if you're just getting into drones or you just want lightweight travel drone, I honestly think DJI Mini 4K is one of the best options to consider. If you want something with more features, you will have to spend more, but if you're after simplicity and portability and solid 4K video for a good price,